All right, what a great day at Ladyfingers. We have an enormous shipment of Aboriginal fabrics from M&S. These are brand new designs, so let's check them out. It's not often that we have a brand new batch of designs and colors from this line of fabrics, so this is indeed a treat. The nice thing about this company is they do keep their designs in the line for quite a while, but when they come out with new ones, that's especially delicious. So as you can see, this is called Dreamtime Story Behind the Design. Oh, no, that's not what it is. They had just put that on the little sign. And I have these in the store. If when you come in to purchase, you can read them. But this one is called Regeneration in Green, and it's by Heather Kennedy. And next, this looks like the same design in another color, Regeneration in Blue. Aren't these fabulous? I always love it. The designers just have the Aboriginal fabrics just have this terrific quality. They're modern, but they're not, and they go with absolutely everything. And this is Regeneration in Yellow. I bought them all, kids, so come and get them. This is Regeneration in Purple. There are 26 SKUs in all. We will have them as fat quarters. You can purchase the entire lot in yards or half yards or 2 yards or whatever you like. Regeneration in Pink. Absolutely fabulous. Here's a new one. This is Stars in the Sky in Purple by Geraldine Riley. And I know this is going to go in about 5 minutes. This is Stars in the Sky in Black. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, on to box number 2. Okay, this is box number 2 from M&S, brand new designs for your sewing pleasure. And this guy is called Meteors in Green by Heather Kennedy. Absolutely wonderful. Next, oh man, this is awesome. Okay, so this is called Looking Around Red. Wonderful, wonderful. And this is Looking Around in Blue. Another new one. Oof, look at the color on this. This is fabulous. So this one is called Meteors in Purple by Heather Kennedy. Fantastic. And the Meteors, let's see, this is Meteors in Red. These are going to go quickly, so be sure to get your orders in early. We ship out as fast as we possibly can. This is Women's Body Painting in Orange by Cindy Wallace. Okay. Uh-oh, I love this one too. Oh dear. This one is called Year-Rung in Blue by Nambuka. She always does the wild stuff. Super great. Look at the little birds on there and everything. It's magnificent. Okay. Of course, I grabbed this in all 3 colors too. And this is Year-Rung in Yellow. The ecru-y type colors are always so wonderful, so mellow and pure. M&S does a great job with these designers. And finally, I think I'm going to pair this up with some of the cool autumny colored batiks we got in. This is called Year-Rung in Red. Just wonderful. Okay, finally, look at this bad boy. Here's a great big box of absolutely fabulous Aboriginal fabrics. These are new to me too. I had to order them from a picture on a website, and I trust that because I know what a great job this company does with these designers' art. Oh, what did I get here? A poster, a bag. Gee, a goodie bag. What should I do with these? Maybe if you buy a yard of each, you get a wonderful goodie bag. How does that sound? Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. We have, spin it around so I can read it. Women's body painting in gold. So women's body painting has been done before, but not this design and certainly not these colors. And this is by Cindy Williams. Absolutely fantastic. Next, we have, I'm spinning them like a baton. These are Akuna Dreaming in Green. Beautiful blues and greens. Absolutely gorgeous. Really easy to chop up that one. And this is Women's Body Painting in Blue. Look at these colors. They're just so rich, so perfect for all your projects. They go with any style at all. And this is Ladies Dancing at Ceremony in Green by Margaret Wallace. We have, ooh, this is very cool too. Akuna Dreaming in Purple. And this is by Agnes, oh dear Agnes, I'm trying to read your name. Agnes something. Okay. And this has a wonderful, this would go great with denim. This is Ladies Dancing at Ceremony in Purple. Okay. Next, oh golly, I think Bill's going to have dibbies on this too, so if you want it, you better get it before he gets his. This is called Looking Around in Blue. Here we go. Fantastic. Okay, and just a few more. Here's another great color. This is Akuna Dreaming in Red. So remember, even though there's red in it, it's not predominantly red. So watch it when you're reading the color names. You have to really look at the scans online. There's a great black and white. Has a tiny little bit of almost a purpley periwinkle in there. This is called Stars in the Sky in white. And I showed the other colors of this design in one of the other boxes. And finally, we have Ladies Dancing at Ceremony in Gold. So again, notice this is a true multicolored print. It is not just gold. So that's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us and follow us on Facebook, and certainly subscribe to our email newsletter. Thanks for watching.